Tiny home living has given me the opportunity to be free. I'm not in that financial debt. I get to travel more and just overall be happy. And that was my goal. So if you're looking for a tiny home or thinking about it, the challenges aren't as hard as you think. Hi, my name is Cindy. This is my tiny home. Why don't you come in and take a tour? We just entered the front part of the house, and this is my living room. What I love about it is the amount of space that I have in here, which is more space than I had in an 860 square foot condo. My living room is much more comfortable. I just don't have things that I don't need. Coming here, it was very easy to see that I only needed a few things to be comfortable. So I made sure to get a nice comfortable sofa that I can also use for guests to sleep on. So I have these little footstools here that's also extra seating, or just to add a little comfort to the sofa. Feels very cozy. I love all the windows, the light windows, the shiplap. It just has that homey feeling as soon as you walk in. So now I'll take you back and show you the kitchen. In this kitchen, I have everything that I need. Lots of counter space. I have a double sink, a dishwasher, which a lot of the tiny homes don't have dishwashers. So I love this feature. Full stove and oven, a microwave, a side-by-side fridge that also has an ice and water maker, tons of storage and cabinets. I have more counter space and cabinets in here than I did in my condo. So I do a lot of cooking and entertaining here. I have a lot of friends over. We do a lot of wine nights and game nights, and it's just a nice, cozy spot for gatherings. Everyone that I have friends with here, we all have the same similar homes. So it's fun to go in each other's home and see how everyone sets theirs up. Everyone has their own unique design, and it's just really fun to enjoy the neighbors and their homes, and we just take turns hosting. So my favorite part of this is having everything within reach and not spending a lot of time cleaning up afterwards or weekends cleaning and scrubbing. It's very easy to maintain. So coming to the financial part of tiny home living, this was a no-brainer for me. When I added up everything I was spending on a condo, HOA fees, maintenance fees, etc., etc., this was so much easier. I do own the home outright, so all that hard work has paid off. It is a lot lease, but the lot lease covers water, cable, sewer, all the amenities, lawn care, little maintenance things that they'll come in and help you with. That right there is a huge savings. And what brought me to this community was all the amenities that they have. We have a pool area, we have a beautiful lake, a clubhouse, a dog park for my dog to run and play in. We have a community garden. So it has a really nice community feel, and that's what makes it feel like home and a simple life. So we just left the kitchen down the hallway, and now we're in the bathroom. What I love about this bathroom is there's a lot of storage. My old place only had one small cabinet. This place has the double vanity, which I don't use the second sink because I only need one. So I use this for my hair tools and when I'm doing my makeup, and it just works more functional for me. So there's plenty of storage here. And right over here, there is tons of storage for towels, extra sheets, blankets. There's a cabinet here where I put all of my medicines. And then here is the full-size shower, walk-in shower, which I love. I don't have to climb over a tub, worry about tripping. There's plenty of room in there. Overall, this bathroom works perfect for me. I have everything that I need in here. So now we're gonna go ahead and move across the hall and I'll show you the laundry area. So now we are in the hallway, and to my right here we have extra storage, just a little bit of bonus storage. To the left, we have a full-size closet with shelving in it, and I usually store my bigger appliances in there, my cleaning supplies. And then this is my stackable laundry, which gives me plenty of space to do the laundry that I need to. So now we're in the master bedroom, and this is a queen size bed, which gives me plenty of space to have 2 side tables. I can get around, make the whole bed. Nothing gets in my way, so it's very comfortable. I have 2 barn doors, 2 closets with 2 drawers underneath in each side, and then these bank of 4 drawers and room for my TV. I love the light windows. I love the extra shiplap. The brightness that this gives me, the high ceilings, it just makes it feel much bigger than it actually is. And on beautiful nights and evenings and afternoons, I like to go out onto what I call my napping porch. I have my hammock and I can enjoy the view, the sunset, and it's just so relaxing. So we just came up the steps and into the front porch, and this is one of my favorite spots of all time. So these are the entry doors that go into the home, but what my favorite thing to do is come home after a long day's work, just sit out here, have a glass of wine, enjoy the little fire, listen to my waterfall, watch the neighbors go by and talk to everybody. It's just a fun, friendly little gathering spot, and I absolutely love it here. Tiny home living has given me the opportunity to be free, not have the burdens. Not in that financial debt. So with my decision on purchasing a tiny home, I've also purchased a Travato van that I can travel in. The best part of this tiny home and having my van is I have the best of both worlds. I get to experience more wildlife and travel more and just overall be happy. And that was my goal. So if you're looking for a tiny home or thinking about it, the challenges aren't as hard as you think. Once you get through it and the stress is gone, just letting go of that stuff is what's really important and so rewarding. Thank you for touring my tiny home here at Simple Life Tiny Home Community. I hope I gave you some great insight on tiny home living and hope you enjoyed it.